Hey there, first graders. It's Miss Bennett and time to do some more math today. So please go find your green math book with the 3 and 4 on it. And today we are going to be working on page 93. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a 9 and a 3. Page 93. Please go find that in your green math book. It has a number 21 at the top when you find it. And then you will just need a pencil today. So find your green math book, find your pencil, and then I'll flip my camera around so we can get started. All right, so if you have your green math book, here's our page again. It's page 93, a 9 and a 3. It's kind of towards the back if you need help finding it. So find page 93. If you're there already, go ahead and write your name up at the top. Here's my name. And then we'll get started to read. Remember, we're going to circle the numbers that we read. And then we're going to draw our tape diagram again today, just like we did last time. All right, so our first one says Rose drew 7 pictures and Willie drew 11 pictures. How many pictures did they draw all together? So that means we're just going to add those two numbers. We need to draw our diagram first. You might already know the answer, but make sure you draw the picture too. All right, so for our tape diagram, we're going to start with number 11. And we're going to draw open circles until we get to 10. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then for 11, we're going to draw a closed circle. So there's our 11. Draw your rectangle around it and label it with a number 11. So there's 11. Now we need to draw 7 more. We're going to draw 7 more closed circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Draw your rectangle and label with the number 7. All right, now think in your brain, or if you need to, you can count the circles. 11 plus 7, or we do 10 and 8. So 11 plus 7 is, what do you think? 18. 11 plus 7 or 10 plus 8 is 18. So write your number 18 for they drew 18 pictures. Good job. Now let's do the next one. All right, it says, Darnell walked 7 minutes to Lee's house. Then he walked to the park. Darnell walked for a total of 18 minutes. How many minutes did it take Darnell to get to the park? All right, so here we have a missing number. So we have 7, and then we need to count on until we get to 18. So start by drawing your open circles. We'll draw 7 open circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then draw a box around your 7 and label it with the number 7. Then we need to count on until we get to 18. Remember, we're going to do open circles until we get to 10. So starting at 7, we'll count on. Ready? 8, 9, 10 for open circles. And then start drawing closed ones until we get to 18. So that's 10. So we'll start at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Draw your box. Let's count how many more circles we drew. We drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We drew 11 more circles. Label that with the number 11. And then, so that's our missing number. So we got all the way to 18. We started with 7, got to 18. We drew 11 more circles, which means it took Darnell 11 minutes to get to the park. All right, let's keep going. We got one more on this page. You can do it, first graders. All right, so our last one on this page says, Emmy has some goldfish. Tamara has 14 betta fish. It's another kind of fish. Tamara and Emmy have 19 fish in all, so in total. How many goldfish does Emmy have? So we're going to start by drawing what we know. We know that Tamara has 14 fish. So start drawing your diagram by making 14 circles. We're going to do 10 open ones and the rest will be closed. So make 10 open circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'll start doing closed circles after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Draw your big rectangle, make a big Lego, and label that with the number 14. And we need to count on until we get to 19 to figure out how many fish Emmy has. So we're at 14. We need to draw some more closed circles until we get to 19. So starting at 14, count on. Ready? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Draw your rectangle. Count how many more dots we drew. We drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. The total diagram equals 19. And we drew 5 more dots. So that means that Emmy has 5 goldfish. All right, first graders, so we are all done with this page. If you did all 3 of these problems and you're like, I got it covered, I know how to draw my tape diagrams, you can stop here. I'm gonna stop here, but if you want to challenge yourself and work your brain and grow your brain really, really big, you can turn the page and do page number 94, just the very next page. It has some more problems just like the ones that we just did. If you would like a challenge, you can do all of these. But if you're like, I got it covered, I am all set for today, you may stop here. Good job, first graders. Put away your green math book, put away your supplies, and we're all done. Good job.